Hello and hi to beautiful people. Again, this is your trainer Muhammad Akbar, and I am here with another lesson that is about what is past indefinite. In the last video, I told you I described that what is the present indefinite. In this video, I'm going to describe what is past indefinite and how to use and where to use past indefinite. So make sure you will watch till the end of this video, and you are going to be master in speaking in past indefinite, especially because this is about what is past indefinite. So if you need credibility, profitability, visibility, so you should watch till the end of it. So my dear, what is past indefinite and where we should use past indefinite? Generally, we use past indefinite where something has been completed, something has been started in the past time, and it has been completed in the past time. So we are using present past indefinite when something and anything else is started in a past time, or it has been completed in the past time. Or it could be any event, it could be any work, it could be any action, any performance, or any occasion or any condition. We started in the past time and we have completed in a past time, so it is a past time. And before going ahead, we need to understand one thing. So what is the legitimate action, legitimate time, or a specific time that we can say that it is the past indefinite times? So we need to understand, we need to put this thing in our head, that there is no certain time, there is no legitimate time or a specific time or complete time and table that we are supposed to use. We need to understand if something has been started in the past time or it has been completed in the past time. You can take the example, it could be started before 10 years or before 1 second, because in both condition we are finding the past time. So we must use the past indefinite tense. According to past indefinite, we need to perform our sentence, and we need to construct the sentence in the past indefinite, because something or anything is started in the past time or it is completed in the past time, it becomes past indefinite. Okay, like suppose you can take the example, like right now we are here, and before coming here, before now, whatever you have started in the past time and you have completed now, you have completed before coming here, so that action, that condition has become past indefinite for this time, for this condition. If you are going to say that I was doing that, so you should say I went to the market, because in a morning time you went to the market, so you should say, or you can say that I went to the office, because the work of going to the office, it is started in the past time, and then you have completed before saying this line that I went to the market, I went to the office. So that is the past indefinite tense. I hope that you try to know what was the actual past indefinite, because it's very tricky, because this is one of the most common and very complicated tense, and it is very useful. We always use, because we do something in the present time, or we will going to do in the future time, or the something has been completed in the past time. Whatever you want to narrate, you want to explain something, okay, you want to explain the something about the past time, about the someone, and that the occasion, that action has been raised in the past time, is issued in the past time, so you must make the sentence in a past indefinite. So that is the past indefinite. Like, try to know what is the rules of past indefinite. If you want to make the past indefinite in a positive sentence, so it's very easy. First, we need to use subject. Okay, we need to put subject, the very first thing, and then we have to use verb. Okay, we have to use verb. Which form of the verb? Second form of the verb in a positive sentence. And then we have to put object at the end of the sentence. Let's take example of positive sentence. I visited Taj Mahal. Okay, it is a sentence of past indefinite. I visited Taj Mahal. So visiting of the Taj Mahal, I'm not visiting right now, or I will not visit in the future time. already I have visited Taj Mahal, already we have seen the Taj Mahal. It means the work of seeing the Taj Mahal, I have done that. I have completed to look the Taj Mahal. So that is the past indefinite. Okay, so easy, so understandable, and people can understand the meaning of your sentence. Okay, that is the positive sentence. If you want to make the negative sentence, so you or one thing I want to mention over here, there is no complication, there is no complication of the subject. This is the rule applied in every sentence with the every subject. Okay, this rule is applied with the every subject, whether it is a singular or plural, like he, she, it. He studied in that university. We studied in that university. You studied in that university. It means with every subject, whether it is a singular or plural, but you have to use only second form of the verb with every subject. Okay, and the sentence is completed. And the next part of the sentence, that is the negative. If you want to make the sentence negative, so you need to do one thing. First, you need to use subject, any one of them, and then you have to use did not. Okay, we have to use did not. You should use did not. Do not use do not. Do not use ever. Do not put and add do not, because it is the helping verb of the present indefinite. But if you want to make the sentence past indefinite, so you should use did not. Okay, it is the symbol of the past indefinite. Okay, and then you have to use first form of the verb. Okay, first form of the verb. Do not use second form, because we have changed already in a helping verb. Did is the second form of the do. Okay, it is the second form of the do. Do is the first form, second form is the did, or third form is done. So first we need to use subject, and then we need to use did not, then we need to use first form of the verb. At the end of the sentence we should use object. Let's take the example of negative sentence. You did not complete your promise. Okay, you did not complete your promise. You made promise with me, you promised with me I'll do that, but you didn't complete your promise. So it is the past sentence in negative form. Okay, if you want to make the sentence in interrogative, so first you should use did, and then you should use subject, and then verb, and then object. Let's take example of the interrogative sentence. Did you celebrate Eid? Did you celebrate Eid? That is example. It means I'm asking, did you celebrate the last Eid? Okay, at the next example, did you write your lesson? Did you write your lesson? I want to know that the lesson was given to you in the past. Did you write the lesson? It is a negative form of the past indefinite. I hope that you have understood what is the past indefinite, and how to use, and where to use, and how to avoid the common mistaken we always make when we are supposed, because it's very common, it is very useful. If you are not able to speak the past indefinite, seriously my dear, you cannot communicate perfectly or completely and happily. People can avoid you, people can take you for granted. Nobody can want to be taken for granted. So my dear, you need to learn, you need to practice too much in the past time, because in the past time, if you want to narrate anything else, if you want to explain about someone mistake in someone performance, so you need to explain in the past time. So try to understand its cruciality, its importance of our usage. So that is the past indefinite. And the second thing, let's take more example. You jumped from the height. Let's practice with me. Okay, this is the right time to practice now. Okay, you jumped from the height. You jumped from the height. It is a positive sentence. Did you jump from the height? Or did you jump from the height? I did not jump from the height. It is a negative form. Let's take next example. We remembered our lesson. We remembered our lesson. Did you remember your lesson? I did not remember my lesson. Sentence is completed. I hope that you have learned too much from my side, and whatever you have learned, whatever you have gained from this video, that should not be in your knowledge only. You should practice, you should implement in your speaking, and that is the way you need to imitate, you need to copy, you need to perform anything else practically. Okay, and if you like this video, so my dear, subscribe my channel, like this video. This is right time to say each other assalamu alaikum. Till then, take care.